Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate few commands in Linux. I am using Debian-Gnu/Linux, and this is the in graphical user interface mode. So this is the GUI mode or the graphical user interface mode, and from here I can type in the search area. I can search for the application. So the application that will be running here and which is of important concern to us is terminal. So this is the terminal that I am opening here, and this is the terminal that I have opened. So I can open only one terminal at a time using from the search screen, from the search area, and from here I can poke multiple windows or multiple tabs. Here I have opened only one tab, and just in this tab, as you can see here, a prompt appears. So the $prompt means that I'm logged in as a simple user or general user. That is, I'm not a super user, because Linux has broadly two accounts. One is the normal account with lesser privileges, and another is the root account with the highest level of privileges. And I am not logged in as root because until unless it is extremely necessary, I cannot log in as root, because I should not log in rather as root, because logging as a root user means having access to the entire system, even the system files, the configurations, everything. So I am logged in as a normal user, and my username is here, as you can see here. It's Rakesh, which is on the left part of @ and the right part, that is Durga, Durga. This is just my host name. Here I can check the login name as you can see here. Here I am logged in as Rakesh, and I can check here my username as using the command echo $user. The $user represents the username or the name of the user who is logged in. So here Rakesh is logged in, so Rakesh appears. Similarly, there are lots of these $users, nothing but a special system, or it's a profile. It's a profile means I can check which profiles are there using the command like cat etc profile. Here etc profile is a file which stores most of the profile options which are being fetched by the interpreter here. The interpreter is a shell. Here we are using bone shell. As you can see here, we are using bone shell, and there is a dot profile file also. So I can check here. There is a dot profile file. Actually, this will not be listed by ls-l if I want, because these are the hidden files. So if I need to list the hidden files, I have to use the option -a. So here I can see here dot profile file is already here. It is there. Dot profile file is already here. So I can. It's not a directory because the hidden directories always start with dot here. So this is a hidden directory .ssr, .ssh. This is also a hidden directory, and .beaminfo. This is a hidden file. So I can check the contents of that dot profile file using the cat command. Here you can see it's X0 the common interpreter for login shells, and I can check there is an RC file bash RC which stores the profiles which are actually taken from bash RC file. So the profiles which are mentioned in the .bash RC file are populated in the dot profile, as you can see here. So if it is there, so it checks the profiles from .bash RC. As you can see, there is already file .bash RC. So I can check here .bash RC. So that is the different. These are different profile options which are already available in my shell. So these are different profiles which are being set by the shell, that is the interpreter, when I'm using bash as a default shell. Actually, these are taking the environment. So one environment can be like, I can check here using the command env. So env lists all the profiles and their values rather. So this lists all the environment variables. These are the environment variables which are set by bash at the time of logging into the system, which are automatically initiated also by bash. So this lists different environments here. You can check here some common environments like the shell that I use here by default is bash shell. It's a bone image shell. And these are the different options available here. You can see PWD is the present working directory. Log name, that is Rakesh. And user is also there. It should be there. Here, as you can see here, I use the command equals user. So I just printed out the value of the environment variable user here. So I can access any of these environment variables. I can print out the values using the echo command in bash. For example, echo $term. I'm using the term variable. So here the term is set as xterm 256 color. So it is printed here xterm 256 color. So these are the different environment variables that I can access. Even I can change. If I change, then the behavior of the environment will also change accordingly. Means if I change here the user equal to root type to it, but merely setting a variable to a value to a variable will not be of any use until and unless we export it. So we can export here the user here. So now I can check here the username as root. So does it mean that I can get access to anyone? Root is a super user, so I can get access to anything. Let's see. See here, although I'm interpreting myself as root, but it's not root actually. I'm logged in as Rakesh. So changing the environment will not have its effects at all. That's where the security of Linux is very much stronger. Okay, so that's all for now.